shit about those Reddit calls. There were 145 calls on Reddit. Alerted yesterday. I gotta stream inside Discord. Let's see what's top flow. AMD's gonna go here. Nope, that's the wrong screen. Nope, that's the wrong screen. There we go. Q is falling. So we had a big sell, not getting too many buys on the flow. REC is looking like for today. AMD going up. Oh, I should have bought those 136 calls. Would have been up 20%. 136 calls. I called it, bro. Missed trade. It's okay. I think we're gonna pull towards 539 on the QQQ. But contracts are expensive. Let's look at this. AMD, man, what I say. Jeez, AMD's on a run. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I should have just bought a couple. Yeah, call premium's rising even more. I'm betting on 539 QQQ. I'll have low a day a stop. We're getting small buys at 56th minute, 57th minute. So they are absorbing this a little bit, or trying to. You you can see right here, we can see if it is being bought into or sold into. AMD, holy dude, I should have took those 136 calls. Immense strength. AMD's still looking the strongest. Okay, let's switch my screen to my cumulative premiums rising. Five 537 Gex rising. I'll actually just keep it. What screen would you guys rather see? My the options data or my brokerage? AMD still running, dude. Oh. Dude, AMD's so strong. Oh, I should have bought 130. Dude, I would have been up 150%. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm singing those very light QQQ calls. Very, very light. I should let you guys know. Very light. Very, very, very light. I'm like in with 200 bucks. $540 Gex shooting up, crazy. Oh, we should go for it. From negative millions to exposure to positive, that's a big gamma flip. Oh my god, Robin Hood. Let me kiss you on your mouth. Why's my screen like that? Why is it? Okay, there. No. Go up. No. Okay, yeah. Let's see if we break low a day. Probably will. This is a lot of premium. Now 140 million. Am I on the... Yeah, this is 540. I don't know. I might stay in. We didn't break low a day, and there's huge 540 game expansion. So I think it's worth holding it for the moonshot. I'm only in 200 bucks. I'll hold till minus 50%. Oh, huge sell. That's alarming. Premiums dropped. The better gave up. Come on, J Pow, take us up. Take us up. Come on. What is he doing? $5.39 still has, looks like MVC. And we have a call wall at 5.35. We just need to get over 5.36 and we should be fine. Have 5.36, 5.37. It's not rising. It flipped. What is this? Arm call 159. Oh, so we had massive sweep coming. AMD 140s, UNH 350s, 500,000. There seems to be constant meta longs. AMD, man, wow. I don't even want to look at the contracts. What would I have been on if I bought at 124 when I first saw it? $120 to $350. Oh my god. Would have been a 200% gain. Oh my god. It's okay. Big work from Uber as well, up 5% today. Our leaps are doing well. Our leaps are up 20%, so not bad. Okay, QQQ finally flowing our way. Wow, I'm not even gonna look at AMD. Jesus, I'm just gonna cry all day. Let's switch this to something else. Am I gonna cry because of Google as well? Actually, no, I'm pretty happy. Finally getting a break on the Qs. A little bit. Some strength. Let's take a look at the GEX again. Oh, this is what we like to see. Guys, everybody go to the Flow and Gex channel right now. I'm going to show you guys something. Have you seen how the premium has increased on the 537s? That's what we want to see. We want to see that kind of gamma expansion. And then if we could get 538 flipped, but we should be able to get up there. Help take a look at Circle, looking good for shorts, seemed to be overhyped after IPO. I get that, and I was as well because I didn't understand it, but I think instead of shorting Circle, I think the safer thing is to just go long Coinbase, because they make 50% off of every USDC revenue. Uber, Jesus Christ, guys. Uber, what a day. Uber back at 90. Uber really catching some juice here. Uber Bulls 2 million. Fader just alerted at 9:17 right here, and after that, look what happens. Looks like everyone's tailing this buyer. 95 call at 8:15. Not terrible. Let's see. Could be worth it. How much million? 2 million worth the premium. Not bad. Let's see how expensive the contract is. For what? 8:15. It's not the worst. Yeah, but I'm already a little late to it. I don't want to get in at the top of this, I'm not gonna lie. Even though it's like 2 months out. I have my leaps, I'm fine just holding those. Let's take a look at some of the AI alerts and see if there's anything that catches our eye. Watch me rock out. This is some sad ass price action, I'm not gonna lie. Grav shares. Grab looks fine. Can we get a move, please? QQQ? You're fucking pumping everything by yourself. Come on. WFC is Wells Fargo, right? WFC 80 calls, 815. Actually, I don't mind that. Strong gap. Yeah, they go. Yeah, low key, I like that. Not a lot of premiums. Oh. Let's track it real quick. Hmm. Alright, I might take the small loss on the QQQ for 30%. This shit is just not moving. Let me. Is there any more news today? Oh, god damn. Like, I really need these contracts to start moving, but I'm just gonna die on theta. I'm not trying to hold. This is a good ladder though. This is exactly what we want. We want a nice stair step to 538. I guess there's just no 540, 539 gamma. So what have you guys been up to? If you guys can talk. I hate just yapping and sitting in call by myself. It's okay, fine. I'll sit in silence. Fuck you guys. maybe should have stayed in my GPM. That would have been 100%. It's okay. I liked the gain. I didn't want to risk it. So I took profit. Nothing wrong about taking profit. But I should have trimmed one and held one. But also I saw the $700 in front of me and I didn't want it to tank off open, so I just took it. You get what I'm saying? Like, also 700 is a lot. So honestly, I don't care if it was, I took 700 over 800. MSTR 300K short expiration. Okay, let's take a look at that. Ooh, MSTR. Mister. We have 385 short days. Let me get to it. No way, I didn't fill. Yerg! Just always happens. I'm canceling it. Whatever. We got MSTY on our small port, I guess. Guess we'll be happy because of that, but man, fuck this shit. Palantir 72% AI. Let's take a look at that. Oh! Palantir on a straight grind up. Strike 145s. AI is giving it a 72% confidence score. Low premiums though. Oh, all of these hit these scalps. Entry on Visa of 338. It's at like 350 now, but the scalp hit. Bullish reversal, bearish reversal. I gotta pay more attention to the scalps thing. Oh, banks are strong. We'll wait for City to fall before we take a swing on it. We need it to revert closer to the mean a little bit. This is just... I'm gonna get you there, Jello. Jellio. I guess it's just jelly and then a face. But I like Jello. I like the name Jello. EPD, man. Killing me though. EPD. So, you see how like I entered right here and we're all the way up here and we're still negative on our position? Let me show you this to my stream too. We entered like right around here. And we're a lot higher, but our position's still negative. That's because we experienced a little bit of theta decay. But hopefully we start moving now. QQQ calls finally in the green. Let's see if we could get a strong breakout. Let me look at the flow. 540. Oh! Boom! Boom, 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 boom! Okay, this is really huge. Where is this? Where did I put it? Right here. 200 million in exposure. That gotta act like a magnet now. There's no way. Oh, look at that, boys. That's huge. Basically, we saw this go right here. This is that, and there's a lot of premium, which we see right over here. That much premium, no matter what, if it's negative or positive exposure, that is gonna bring up the market for sure. Time to get freaky.
Yo, Jazz, I need some money. What's the move?
It looks like I'm betting on QQQ going up, bro. I missed AMD this morning. I saw I didn't enter because I got scared, and then I saw that shit go up like 200%.
AMD?
Yeah, AMD's up like 5% today.
Yeah, 4.95. I see that. Holy shit.
And then made some money off JPM on our other port. I should have held some though, but it's okay. And then we're still sitting in Rocket Lab because those are 2027 calls. MSTR went up, so our MSTY is doing good.
It's MSTR at 383. Okay. So I still, all my shit's in shares, dude. Everything. I just with work, it's hard for me to be
Dude,
looking at everything.
Shares is definitely the better move right now because when use hits and it's the wrong way, your options are decimated.
Yeah. My portfolio is up 6% in the last 4 days.
That's not bad at all.
When you think about how much money it's in there, so it's pretty solid.
Yeah. AMD could I don't want to FOMO into this. Let me make sure we have some unusual flow. AMD. Anything yet?
Nvidia also, damn, it's had a huge spike. It went up $2 in the span of 15 minutes.
AMD gonna view up bounce.
Dude, I'm so pissed I missed out on Hood. I did not buy any shares of Hood.
Aw, damn. Yeah, I was a little pissed because I was eyeing Hood since it was $15.
Dude, we've been talking about Hood since January or even October of last year.
Yeah. No, that was an insane success story. It's like every year there's an opportunity like that. Like 2 years ago it was Palantir, like it was at like 15
Dude, yeah,
bucks. Now like
I'm
it's at
still
150.
Palantir's. Yeah, even that last fall, I got Palantir at 70, I believe, or maybe even 60.
Yeah, and now yeah, and you doubled it on that even.
MicroStrategy also almost 100% return.
Nice. Yeah. Hopefully this is the year for SoFi and Robinhood.
Dude, yeah, I have like 250 shares of SoFi.
I think SoFi's doing pretty well today.
Shares do I?
Oh,
Did I sell all of
no, it looks like it's just falling off its pre-market.
No, that's what I've been in. Like, I have 100 shares in like a bunch of like the smaller stocks, like Black Sky. I have more than 100. SoFi more than 100. SoundHound,
Oh
Big
yeah.
Bear AI.
Those are always worth it, I think, because if any of
Yeah.
them like do become very profitable, like your multiplier on like such a now it's not like a low cap penny stock where it's like full on risky, but
Yeah.
it's also not like buying Walmart stock that doesn't move at all. Like you're gonna have a if it does move, you're gonna have a really good gain on it.
Yeah. Spy at 605. Uh, to think it was just at 500 2 months ago.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, looking back, like you could have made generational wealth buying that dip. You would have made 100% on like if you just closed your eyes and bought any stock. There's a good chance you made like close to 100% gain.
Yeah, the thing is, it's like that's almost any dip. It's just like when do you know it's the bottom of the dip? Like I
True.
remember I was buying and then it just kept going down. And I was like, "Yo,
Yeah, it's scary when you're actually going through the dip, and then it's always like when you retroactively look back.
yeah, fucking insane, dude." 613 to 485 in span of 2 months, and then 485 to 605. Dude, I just want to sell everything and go all cash. Damn near.
Yeah, I really hope. Well, it's like everybody forgot about the tariff stuff too in light
That,
of
that's
this war.
exactly.
So, okay, now that this war is over, what about the tariff stuff? And that's like if it is over.
And he said that he would be He was pushing the tariffs off till July, right?
Yeah.
So,
I think it's July 9th is the day.
Doug, you actually gave me a really good. I might sell like a lot right now.
Yeah, so I would be taking some profit. At least like on anything that could be affected by tariff news, like Robinhood.
Nvidia.
Like Robinhood stock doesn't really get affected by tariff news because it's a software company, you know?
The thing about that though is that Robinhood is like there might be just a consumer reactive
Yeah,
thing.
just
So
like
that's yeah,
emotional money leaving the
exactly.
market. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm selling Microsoft.
And Microsoft's been doing like decently well recently.
Yeah, I mean I bought it at 300,
Okay.
488. Dude, you don't want to talk about my Nvidia shares that I sold 4 years ago when I bought them for 100, no, like 98 before the split.
No.
Fucking 5 shares at 98 would have been what, 50 shares now at 100. Jesus.
Yeah. Bro, that's why
Tesla
like
definitely getting impacted.
some of the richest like stock investors I know, they just never sell stock. Like never.
Yeah. If you have enough money, see the
Yeah,
thing for
it's
me is
all
like
about
I don't
just
have enough cash.
yeah, true. It's if you can afford it, just continue to buy. But like, we don't really got like money like that now.
Exactly.
But when we have jobs and shit, that's definitely the best and safest way to get stupid wealthy.
Like I get my first commission check in August, so that will smack.
Ooh.
I'm not even sell my QQQ. Oh, I just want to have enough cash where I could just like buy like crazy.
Yeah, yeah, I want to have cash to buy on a good dip whenever it comes.
Thing is, all my shit's short term. That's what sucks. I'm gonna get taxed on this. So.
That's why you guys start buying just buy like one contract of like 2027 leaps. It's basically leveraged stock.
Leverage invest. Yeah, I mean when you're going that far out,
Yeah. Like I'm up 40% on my SoFi 2027 calls and up 50% on my 2026.
goddamn.
Oh, Robinhood going up. $81. Oh, it's Robinhood really moving. The 85 calls are gonna come to fruition. Oh, my Discord's frozen. I'll be back like in a second. Gotta restart my Discord.
Actually, I gotta go back to work. I'll be back.
Alright, see ya.
It's
Alright, I'm back. What would you guys rather see, my brokerage screen or like the options flow data and my trading view chart?